Hi, this is Dr. Pam Marcum, and I wanted to get on here tonight and go over how affiliate marketing can be something that you might really want to look into. If you're someone who has always wanted to make money online and you just weren't sure how to do it, or you've tried some things and it just didn't work, affiliate marketing may just be the answer for you. It's got very little overhead. If you already own a computer, phone, basically you're ready to go. So, most people have those things, and you can invest nothing and even be starting to make some money by next week. Now, I'm not somebody who believes in or teaches that affiliate marketing is a get rich quick scheme. It's not. This takes work and dedication. But if you're willing to do it, then eventually you can generate for yourself some real time freedom and, financial freedom too. It just takes doing the work, especially up front, and getting things going. So, I have a few notes here and I don't want to miss anything. So, basically, this is done online. You will you'll be taught to choose where to go to choose products that you want to represent, and I would say right from the beginning that you want to choose things that you yourself know about and you feel that they're high quality. You don't want to just go out there and start representing anything. You want it to be quality products or services. This way, your audience over time learns that they can trust you, that the things you're saying might be a good thing to look at. They're going to see that they are. So you'll be trusted more. That's really important. You'll get your own link from the merchant when you're ready to sell a product, and that link you can place out there to your audience, and they will be able to click that to order. Or if they don't order right away, there's something called a cookie. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically a way that a person is tracked so that if they looked at that link and they come back later and buy, you're still going to get the commission. And a lot of the products, there'll be 3 to 6 months that the cookies still work so that you would still get paid. If you're looking for passive income, at first it won't be. This will be active. But over time, this can become passive income where you're sleeping and people are ordering and you have a lot going on. So there's several different networks out there that you can go to find out about affiliate marketing and to find the products that you want to represent. One of those is called ClickBank, and that's one that I use. I'm not saying, it's the best out there. There's lots of good ones, but I do like it. And basically, you just go there, you sign up, and, they'll get you set up with your own affiliate link. Sometimes there's a little bit of a time delay because they're going to look at you and make sure you're a person that they want representing you. But some are more and some are less choosy about that. Let's see. Basically, there are other places too, like Amazon Associates. I don't know if you've heard of that, but that's another one like ClickBank. You don't have to start a YouTube channel to be able to do affiliate marketing. It is a good way to do it. It doesn't mean that you have to always be on camera, but there's ways for you to do videos about the products and get the right keywords about the product, and then you'll be sending that out to your email list, and we'll be talking more about how you develop that. But you can use Instagram, you can use a blog, you can use Twitter. There's lots of ways to do this, but you do have to over time build an email list and get an audience that follows you. And there are ways to do that, which I'll talk about in other other videos. But also, emails. I'll put a link below this video that if you click on it, it will lead you to some information about how to set up a whole system and how to collect the emails, how to be able to automatically email those people. There's a really cool system that I can tell you about. Another thing you can do as an affiliate marketer is do reviews of products. So especially as you get bigger and people start to realize you're out there and you have an audience, some people will even just send you products because they want you to do a review. But at first, you can just, look at some of the products on the affiliate marketplaces and get a hold of that product. Maybe it's a product you already have. In fact, that's a good way to start. Some of the products around your house you probably already like are probably already affiliate products. So you can go look that up. If you like it, you could do a review. That could go on your blog, or just in emails to people that are your audience, and they'll start to see that. So now, another place that you could look at besides Amazon Associates and ClickBank is called cj.com. That has a lot of good information there, a lot of products, companies. So that's another place I just wanted to mention. So you have three to kind of look at right away. But again, there is a process to this, and I will be continuing to make videos about it so that I can explain more. And so I would like you to make sure to hit subscribe down below, hit the bell so that you get notified when I come out with another video. And then we'll just go from there, and I will keep making videos to help educate you about affiliate marketing and exactly how you can get involved and change your life. So talk to you later. Bye-bye.